So this is a magnetic dryer vent attachment system. I was sent this system to review for free. If you wanted to purchase it, it would cost you about $40. They haven't paid me for my review, and my opinion remains my own. Alright, so in the box we get this guy here, which has a wall-mounted bracket and a dryer-mounted bracket, and it includes this little hose here for attaching this guy to your dryer. Comes with two of these clamps, and the idea is this mounts into your wall, and I believe when you get this guy close, it just attaches. So the idea here is that you don't have to leave a large hose behind your dryer and then move your dryer back. You can have like a really short hose, and as you move the dryer back, when this guy gets close, it just automatically links up. Now I don't know how well it works if it's kind of off to the side. It seems like if you have it close, it will pull itself into alignment. If it's really far off, it kind of just stays on the outside. So it has to be sort of close, and once you get it sort of close, it latches in and kind of aligns itself up. It's nice and smooth in there, you know, so it looks like air would flow pretty well. It's a pretty hefty magnet, so it definitely has some force snapping together there. You wouldn't want to get fingers in between those two. So my understanding is this external material is all aluminum, and then just they have the magnets in the aluminum brackets. This guy here has 4 screws, and it has this tube here, so you'll have to, hook that up to your existing pipe system. And that includes here some drywall anchors and 4 screws. So there is kind of about 1.5 inches total size here with this magnet and that magnet. And so comparing this to just kind of clamping a hose to an existing pipe, it might actually be sticking out a little bit farther.